Hi everyone. Since my last video, I've received some messages about a change that's been made to Memsource. So my account is old, so I hadn't realized that there was this change. So apparently now they're not using Microsoft Translate as the default machine translation anymore, and they're using something called Memsource Beta. And with Memsource Beta, it still uses a combination of Google and Microsoft, but they give you a certain amount of free characters every month. So for the free version, you would get 50k characters a month, 50,000 characters a month, and that isn't that much based on my knowledge. And once you run out of this one-time 50,000 characters, you will have to pay to buy more. So for people who don't want to pay because like translation is just their hobby or whatever, yeah, paying for like free characters just for machine translation isn't worth it. So you don't have to use machine translation. You still use Memsource just for the glossary and the translation memory, and it'll still be helpful. But if you do want to use machine translation, there is an option for you that is free, but it'll require a bit more setup and signing up for accounts. So that is Microsoft Translate. You can add it, yeah, but it just requires more setup. So I'll show you what you will need to do. So go to your gear settings. Scroll all the way down to integrations and then click on machine translation engines. And you'll see the machine translation usage, and at the very top has the Memsource Translate with Beta. And you go configure, then you'll see it has options such as make default machine translation engines, Google Translate, Microsoft Translate. If you want to not use this and set up Microsoft Translate, you'll have to unclick the make default because that's automatically ticked. So with mine it's already unticked, so I don't have to make any changes. So just click save. And then go down to third-party machine translation engines and go create. And then go down and select Microsoft Translator, not the other Microsoft ones, just Microsoft Translator. Click create. And you'll see that it has several bars, and one of them, which is bold, which is necessary, is the Azure key. So for this, to get an Azure key, you'll have to make a Microsoft Azure account, which is pretty easy if you already have a Microsoft email. If you don't, then it requires signing up. So then once you have an account and you go to your Azure portal, which I'll link at the bottom, go to your Azure portal, and then at the top, just type in cognitive services and click select. And then you'll see mine's already here, but you just have to add it. So go to add and search for, you can type in text translate or translated text. So the one you'll be looking for is translated text, which is here. And you go create. And you just enter a random name, and subscription is your Azure account. Most people who just first signed up for an Azure account gets the free one. While if you already have one and then the free account runs out, which is I think like 12 months, it changes to a pay-as-you-go. And pay-as-you-go is that, you just enter your credit card details, but nothing is charged unless you actually pay for something. Yep, so the pricing tier, you can see full pricing details here if you click on it, but you can get a free account, which is 2 million characters a month, which is quite a lot, and it gives it every month. Or you can also pay as you go, so $1 is like $10 per million characters, or you can do $2 all the way up to so those are like a certain amount a month. So yeah, so you can click the free one, just go pricing tier, and the free one will be at the very top, but I already have one free subscription for this account, so I can't select it anymore. but you can probably select it. Yeah, so just select the free one, create a resource group, and then go to the bottom and just press create. And then once it's created, go back to Quality of Services, click into it, and then you'll have all this stuff on the sidebar. You just need to go keys, and then copy a key, and then go back to your Memsource Translate, copy your key into the Azure key. For a name, just type any name, and then with the category, this one you can't type anything, you have to type in general or else it won't work. And then you just click make default and save, and then that should be all set up. And if you've already made a project, then just go back to it, click edit at the top, edit project at the top, and then just change your machine translation to the one you just set up, and then press save, and it should be all done. Yeah, so a bit more setup required, or you can also decide not to do this and just use the glossary, but this is for people who want to take advantage of the Microsoft Translate machine translation. And if you sign up for the Azure account, you'll get 2 million free characters a month. And that's it for today. Thank you for listening.